One thing you want to make sure you never get with a super low HOA are amenities like this. Hi Oviedo, I'm Kat West, and today we are in East Orlando, and don't worry, I am going to share with you the exact community as well as the super low HOA, so stick around till the end. Right now, we're at our newest listing with over 3,300 square feet of living space and a beautiful pond view. Let's check it out. I'm ready to spill the tea. We are, like I said, in East Orlando. This community is called Cypress Lakes, and their HOA, are you ready for it, is only $56 a month. If you'd like to live in a community like this or in this beautiful home, don't hesitate to reach out today for your own private showing.